How's it going, guys? Stefan here. Welcome back for another video. Super excited as always. I hope you stay safe and keep your 2 meters social distance. In today's video we have a review. Not exactly a review, but it's gonna be unboxing and quick impressions of the Sennheiser Cx 150BT. This is a kind of everyday earbuds that you can use. Let's quickly check the specifications. So up to 10 hours playtime, which is pretty good. Also, you can do phone calls as well. And comes with a Bluetooth 5.0. So without further ado, let's check what is in the box. Sennheiser is known for amazing sound quality, crystal clear sound quality, so we don't have a problem there. Everyday headphones, the price for this bad boy is about 49 British pounds, about 50 pounds. So and comes with a Bluetooth 5.0, which is I think it's a good thing because the connection is gonna be good, so you're gonna have a good range. I didn't prepare myself. Why I didn't prepare myself? Aha! Now we have a easy way to open, and we're gonna test this bad boy now. Let's put the beast mode on. Rah! Yeah. Okay. Cool. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. Oh, nice. So we have interchangeable ear tips, plastic ear tips, TPU. So we have small, medium, and large, which this is a very good to fit your fit, if this makes sense. Also, we have a manual that no one is not gonna read, but end of the day, it's good. And something cool that I'm seeing here is that charges via Type-C, which this is a good thing. Okay, so let me connect this bad boy. If we have a battery, because to be honest, I don't think that they've been pre-charged, but I prepare myself. I have my Pixel XL2. So let's see if we can connect this Sennheiser Cx BT. Oh my god, this is so intense. Why they make it so difficult? Here we go. Voila. Almost there. Sennheiser, this is not fun. Okay, so what we have here. So we have plus and minus for the volume. Also we have you can answer phone calls here, and this also it's the power on a button. So let's see if we have a battery. Let me connect my Bluetooth and see the sound quality how is, because I think the sound quality should be very good. Sennheiser is known for the best sound quality there, no problem. Yep, Cx 150BT. Yes, I would like to pair. Amazing. Whoa, we have 80%, which is pretty good. So which one is left and right is my question. Interesting. Doesn't say, or maybe I'm blind. Probably I'm blind. Okay, so let's try the sound quality. Wow, they fit pretty good actually. Quite small, and they fit. Actually, they go proper in your ear. Wow, that's nice. No IPX ratings, so does mean that probably not gonna be able to do some fitness workouts, but I think it's gonna be okay. Not rated, but I think it's gonna be okay. So I'm gonna try these bad boys actually for some jogging today or maybe tomorrow. Okay, so let's try the sound quality, which is pretty good. So let's play some music here. First impressions, the sound quality is pretty good actually. Okay, so the sound quality is very clear. So depends what music you're listening for, but I think the sound quality will be good, so you'll be happy. Not very bassy. The sound quality is good, you'll like it. Okay, so what is the verdict? Overall, CX 150BT is a great product for everyday use. You'll be super happy to use this in-ear buds for everyday use. So overall, definitely I recommend this bad boys. My name is Stefan. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, like and subscribe. I'm going to see you in my next video, and stay safe.